Today is Thursday, February the 28th, and I managed to blast out of here yesterday with this trailer 35 miles an hour, and I made it to the road after bouncing off the snowbank a few times, but coming back in with the hay on, this is as far as I made it, and I couldn't pull it no more because you see up here it just wouldn't go no more. And I actually lost my run at it because I was flying in fast in this deep snow and hard. What's this that's crossed here? Oh, deer tracks. Yeah, deer tracks. I come flying back in here as fast as I could, and I lost control and I hit the snowbank right there. Going out empty, I just bounced off the snowbank right about here, and going out. So I spent a couple hours digging myself out of there by hand, and then backed out, and then went forward, and I wasn't able to get much of a run at it because I had no clear path here anywhere. And I called Napa, and I ordered a starter just yesterday, and it's under warranty, and they phoned me this morning and say that it's in, but I don't know if I can move this now at all with the truck because it's so hard packed. And then as soon as you go off the side here, it drops like a good foot down to the ground. See, there's the ground right where, yeah, see, there's the grass right there. You can see a few blades of grass right there from the driveway. So I gotta try and push these snowbanks all back and just take swipes to the left and swipes to the right and work my way up. But I gotta get this hay to the cattle because they need hay. I gave them last night the two last square bales that I had, that I went and got before I got the hay. And so now I'm going to try and put a rope on here, or not a rope, but a 1/4-inch aircraft cable, and pull one off at a time. I hope I can pull it off over the front end. Well, actually, I'm going to put the cable high on the bale, like way up here, and hopefully it'll roll off to this side. And I'm hoping I can pull that up the hill. I can normally pull them around the yard and into the field when the driveway is clear or a little bit of snow on it. I just don't know how much traction I can get. And then once I get these off of there, then maybe I can move the trailer, I hope. Because other than that, I'm trapped in here with no way out. So we'll see what happens. Well, we made it up with one. It was spinning all the way through and all the way up the hill, but we made it. Now I'll just back my truck up and I'll push it in with the back bumper into there. Right back to those guys. Yeah. Yeah, so that's that one. Well, there you go. It was here, and I pushed it all the way in there. I had to use the front bumper. I couldn't get the bales to clear that firewood, and it would have punched it right through my back window. So I pushed it with a big front bumper. So So now they got the hay in here. I just don't know if these guys can reach it over the wire here or not. No, they can't. So we're going to have to cut some off for them. Okay. Actually, I think what I'll do, once I get the other one up here, I'll just push this one over by hand and roll it down there for them. That's what I'll do. There's my cable. It was stuck under the bale. Then we'll go for a second one. You know, there was a time when I bought this property, you know, where neighbors help neighbors all the time, and someone needed help, you went and helped them. And, you know, I plowed out dozens of driveways, didn't even charge them for gas, but they've all died or moved away, and now people have come up from town and they don't want to give you the time of day. They won't even wave at you. It's strange, but they come from the city, and there's actually a couple houses out here that's changed hands about 8 times since I've been here. And you can't get any help from anybody. There's people with tractors down the road. One guy a mile or so down the road's got a skidder, but even if you offer him money, he won't come. That's how I move hay. This is later in the day. It's about 5:30 right now. You can see I got the... Oh, let me get here on the level of ground here. You can see I got the trailer out of the driveway down there. It's off to the side down there. I was able to pull it out of there once it was unloaded. Tomorrow I'll go down and take the start. As long as it's not too bad weather, not windy cold, I'll go down there and jack that truck up and take the starter out and take it in and get a warranty on it, replacement. Everybody's here happily eating their fresh hay. You know, I don't let anything stop me. Sure, there's a lot of challenges I have here all the time, but even with my broken back and the medications I take, and I'm on a disability pension only, you know, I can't sit still. But even though I face challenges here alone, anybody can do this. Anybody. I'm 58 years old, and sure, I get frustrated because things go wrong left and right, but hey, you know, it's a lot better off than being stuck in cordwood housing where you got a house 3 feet away from your kitchen window. Everybody's still enjoying their hay. Hey, cut it out. That white heifer, she jumps, and we'll just headbutting the others there. She won't stay in the wire with the big guys. She just jumps right over it, and she comes with these guys, and she tries to boss them around. So where was I here? Yeah. I wouldn't change it for anything. And I know lots of people say, you know, I want to live out in the country and have livestock and homestead or farm or whatever. I'm just one person here now. The only thing I need to do is build a little cabin that's warm somehow this summer. I've been saying that for how many summers now, but funds haven't been there. But I'm not giving up. Okay, take care guys. We'll talk to you later.